Hello, everybody, and this is my semester project about Appalachian State University and its financial statements. So I came up with three cost-saving strategies for Appalachian State into having more money, and the first one that I found was that they should cut down fully of their student-athlete meal plan with when they do not travel. So combined between 20 schools, there $40 million have been spent on student athlete meal plans, whether that be facilities or the meals that they are given. So instead of doing that and saving more money that could be for their games or even just regular students that go there, they could just have the student athletes use the normal dining halls instead of private ones. Another one that I have is their equipment, uniforms, and supplies. So Appalachian State in 2019 spent about $1 million in for equipment, uniforms, and supplies. And if they reduced that by about 20 to 25%, they could save thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. And finally, I have that they should not cut fully, but they should reduce their recruiting because football, as right here, costs twice as much as every other sport that they have at Appalachian State. So even if it was just football or if it was all the sports, they could save a lot because even if they don't have that high recruiting and trying to get 5-star or 4-star athletes, they lower ranked prospects could still shine just like how they do in March Madness, in college basketball, or even in the bowl games. And now I actually have I have three revenue enhancing strategies that Appalachian State could use to help increase their money. First, camps. I think they need to hold more camps. They only hold about 1 to 5 for each sport, which if they get more and they increase their costs by 20 to 25%, they could make an extremely high amount that extremely more than they actually do right now. Also, ticket prices. For football, their single tickets cost around 180 to 250, with their season tickets costing about 385. But from like Clemson, USC, those numbers are very low compared to those other big schools that are like in the SEC or ACC. So if they can increase by even just $100, they can save over like they can make hundreds and thousands of extra dollars. And finally, their television and media. So each televised game can make anywhere from 150,000 to 1.63 million dollars, depending on if who the team, what teams are playing, and who they are playing. And especially if Appalachian State plays against a ranked opponent or a conference opponent in football or baseball, they can make a lot of extra money. And here are my references, and thank you.